Hi there! I love my clematis and I'm just planting a new one for spring. And there are a few things to look out for when you're planting a clematis. One is that the soil that you're planting it in is moist. They like a lot of moisture at their roots. If it's a little bit shaded, that's to the good, but they do like their heads in the sun. And the next thing is that you want the plant to be planted deeper than it was in the pot. So this one here I'll tip out like that. You can see that it's quite pot bound actually, so I'm going to ease out some of these roots, just pull them out a little bit like that, so that they will explore the soil that I'm putting it into. And then I've dug a good deep hole like that. I haven't put any compost in because I want it to explore the ground around it. And then I'm just going to fill in right up around the roots like that, and then make sure that it comes up to 3 or 4 inches higher than it was in the ground, so that we'll get lots more shoots from those lower stems once they're in the soil.